Hey everyone, it's Val here. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have another unboxing video, and today's unboxing video is Mindful Souls. This is my April box, and I've got it right here. Let's go ahead and open it. So as always, we open the box and we have, I believe, 5 or 6 products. We get 5 or 6 products a month. So let's go ahead and open this little thing. And as always, we just see this, and it just says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. So we always open the box to a whole new world of possibilities. The first thing that we find in here is an affirmation card. We always get an affirmation card. So this month's affirmation card is Affirmation for Ownership. And this says, I can pick and choose what I want to do. So we always get an affirmation in our Mindful Souls box. So that was my affirmation for this time. And then we have this hand. Okay, I'm going to look up this hand because I'm still new to all of this, so I would like to know what that hand means. Okay, so it's the Hamza hand, and the Hamza hand is a universal sign of protection, power, and strength that dates back to ancient Mesopotamia, known as the Hand of Fatima in Islam and Hand of Miriam in Judaism. It's believed to protect against the evil eye and all negative energies. So this is our Hazma hand sticker. So we always get a sticker in our box, and this month's sticker that I got is the Hazma hand, and it's really pretty with like blue, purple, green, and then the moons and the eye, and I really love it a lot. It's really pretty. So that's my sticker for this month. And then we always get the information card. So here's the information card. I don't know, I haven't looked at it, and we'll go ahead and look at it all together. So ooh, I got a box. Okay, so this is what's inside my box. There's a box within a box, and I'm really excited to open it. We'll save that for last because that's one that I'm most excited for. So let's see, and here we're going to do one of the little baggies. It's a little necklace. Oh, I love this. Okay. I love this. I'm excited for this. This is a moon necklace with a clear crystal. Let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so this is the necklace. It's like a really pretty bronze color. And I've decided that for this box, before I kind of look at the information card and stuff, I'm going to show you, and then at the end, I'll go ahead and look at it, just so I can see everything before reading about everything. So this is the necklace, and it's got this really pretty crystal in it, and then the detailing, I love the detailing, so I'm excited for this necklace. And the next product that we have, or item, oh, it feels like a crystal rock. It feels kind of like a square or a cube. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, I think this is, tigers? No, not tiger's eye. A labradorite. I think this is a labradorite stone. It's got the blue and then the brown. And I got a labradorite stone my last box, and I'm pretty sure that's what this one is. And this one's really pretty too. Let's see, next we got a little ball. It's a little marble. Oh, yep. This one, okay, this one I think is tiger's eye. I think this one is tiger's eye, but I could be wrong. Just this marble. And then we've got a bracelet. We got a bracelet. I like bracelets. Okay, this is a bracelet. And it's got a little elephant. I love elephants. And I think this is rose quartz. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's rose quartz from what I've been learning. Oh, yes. Okay. And then we got this box. And under the box, actually, we got our first sage. So for those of you who don't know, sage is good for like warding off bad energies. And just kind of keeping help you keep a positive mindset, I guess. This is the sage, and it has this like the purple flowers, purple leaves, and it smells really good and calming. And then we got the box. So we got a box. I'm excited for this box. I'm excited to know what's in it. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, this is sick. Okay, this is so really pretty and cool. Okay, we got this. I'm excited to find out how to use this. So it's just one of these. Let's go ahead and open the information card now, and then we'll go ahead and read everything. So here's the information card. So we'll start from the top. We've got rose quartz bracelet. Yes, this was a rose quartz bracelet. And it says, thinking of self-care as a necessity rather than as a luxury that you don't have time for will set you up for a happier and healthier life. Self-care is all about making time to nurture yourself and loving yourself unconditionally. Bless yourself with compassion by connecting to the rose quartz energy of this bracelet. Rose quartz brings the focus to how strong and powerful you are, regardless of what is happening with your body. It begs you to love yourself at every stage. The next item was what we got in the box, which was one of these. It's the clear quartz energy generator. Having an energy generator crystal in your space will help to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. These generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. It's a great tool for meditation, healing, and general support, and can also be used to charge other crystals. Clear quartz is a master healer crystal, and it amplifies the energy of crystals. It is placed place every generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate, and transmute energy. So this is a clear quartz energy generator. And then this one, like I said, is the next one. It's Tiger's Eye. And Tiger's Eye, it's a Tiger's Eye sphere. When fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed. To see the path ahead clearly, improve your foresight with the Tiger's Eye sphere. Tiger's Eye healing properties protect us from seeing the worst in ourselves. Instead, Tiger's Eye healing energy blesses the third eye with confidence, courage, strength, and harmony so that our perspective isn't tainted by self-doubt or insecurities. To activate your crystal, sit quietly holding your crystal in both hands, breathe in the highest white light, and visualize your intention for your crystal. The next thing is this one. It's actually the necklace. So this is the necklace, and it is the yellow apatite waning crescent necklace. It says that the waning crescent moon symbolizes the end of the old cycle, the start of approaching a new one. Detach yourself from the world and the rest. It is time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Apatite is a dual action stone known for its positive use of personal power to achieve goals. It clears away confusion, apathy, or negativity, then stimulates the intellect to expand knowledge and truth, which may be used for personal growth or the collective good. It is a stone of manifestation, promoting a humanitarian outlook and service to others. And then the next one is this one. So this one is actually the moss agate stone. So I was wrong when I said it was labradorite. It's moss agate stone. And this is still really pretty with the blues and the brown. I love it. So moss agate carries a strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. It teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with the earth, helping us to set an intention for healing the planet. Associated with the heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. The last one is the Blue Sage Lavender Smudge Stick. And it says blue sage has a mild floral aroma, so if you're someone who finds strong smells overpowering, this might be your new favorite smudge stick. It is also known to attract prosperity and wealth, so it's an excellent addition to any abundance ritual. Lavender carries an energy of happiness and tranquility, making this stick perfect for when you're feeling stressed. So, those are all the items that I got on my Mindful Souls for April 2023. But yeah, so Mindful Souls has great products, and I love their subscription boxes. I love receiving their subscription boxes. I love the jewelry that it comes with. I love the stones and the crystals that it comes with, and the stickers and the affirmations. So yeah, so if you all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more Mindful Souls unboxings, go ahead and subscribe down below, and also comment down below what you do to stay mindful and your, I guess, mindful hobbies. And I'll see you all next time. Bye everyone.